much for tuning into my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Today is going to be about this hairdo. It's just a side bun, really easy and simple. I wore it to work the other day and I got tons of compliments, so I thought, why not do a step-by-step tutorial on how I got this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to be doing a side bun updo. So you're going to need, really simple, really easy, and you're going to need like, you're going to need a little bitty rubber bands, and you're going to need two scrunchies. You're going to need two scrunchies. You're going to need hairpins, a lot of them. I have to have a lot of them because I have to have secure, make sure mine is secure. And you're going to need some type of edge control. I mean, you can use Gorilla Smart, you can use edges, whatever works good for your hair. And one of these hard brushes, like a man brush. Let's begin. So first, I have extensions in my hair. So first you're going to make your hair, you're going to brush through your hair and get all of the kinks out of it. This hair has like a little wave to it, so and especially if you have like a sew-in like I do or extensions, you just want to make sure that you get this top part as flat as possible. If you're using your own natural hair, you still have to make sure that it's flat, but you know, when you have extensions and stuff, you really have to make sure it's flat. Red is snoring, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So you guys, because of background noises, I had to do a voiceover, and I know I sound a little rusted today. I have getting over a cold. So what you do is you just basically gonna take your hair and separate it into two parts. You're gonna make sure that the I'm so sorry you guys, I'm been sick, but you have to just make sure that the front part is flat. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush down after you separate your hair. It's gonna like you separate on the side, and one of the ponytails are gonna be kind of lower back toward the side that you're gonna use to put your bun on. So I did my bun on the right side. In the video, it's gonna look like the left side. And so I just simply put it in a ponytail in the back. Now I didn't make the scrunchie really, really tight because I don't like it to pull. And then I did the same thing right here in the front. And as you notice in the front, I made sure to keep the front part down, almost like a swoop in the front. So I made sure to keep the hair close to my head. And then you're gonna come out with two ponytails. So right now that's what you have is just two ponytails, one in the back toward the bottom on the side and one on right above your ear on the side. And then you're just going to start twisting it just like you would a little girl's ponytail, or if you wear ponytails, you're going to just twist it. And then to make sure that it holds and don't ravel up, you're going to put a little small rubber band on the very end to keep the ponytail from coming loose. And you're going to repeat the same thing on the bottom ponytail. You're going to just twist it, like I said, and it doesn't have to be twisted really tight, you know, just not too loose either. With just a normal little regular twist. And then you're going to do the same thing and put a small rubber band at the end just to make sure that the ponytail holds and it don't come loose. Now you should have two ponytails, one on the side and one in the lower back. And you're going to start to pin. You're just going to take that first ponytail and you're just going to lift it up and put it up against your head, and then you're going to start pinning. Now everyone is different. You can pin up as high as you like or as low as you like. I kind of go like almost straight across from my eyebrows and I start pinning. And I like mine to be kind of more toward the back. You can do it more toward the side. And you just kind of play around with it, make it your own. And I just continue to put pins. Now, I don't put so many pins that it becomes uncomfortable because you know hairpins can cause pain. So when you put it in, if it hurts, you need to take it out and reposition your hairpin because you don't want to have pain and you have to take your bun down. And you're just going to repeat this, you know, just pinning and positioning until you get the look that you want. Sometimes you have to take your time on this part to make sure that the bun is positioned the way you want it positioned and that everything is tucked in that needs to be tucked in. And if you see a pin that you can see, I try to make sure that my pins are hidden. Then you just take that one out and just push it in further so that none of the pins are visible. I think it just looks so much neater like that. So I have completed my bun, and as you can see the back where I swooped it over, and it's all real neat and tidy, and I really like the outcome of it. So right here I added some pearl drape earrings. I think they're just really classy, and I thought it looked really good with my hair in an updo. I normally wear larger earrings when I pin my hair up, so I thought this fit real well with the look. And here you're gonna have the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope that you love this hairstyle. Right here I put a little gorilla slide on the side of my edges. I almost forgot to lay those edges down, ladies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think of the video. Till next time, bye.